guys, I'm back and I'm in another slime video. Today we're gonna make a glow in the dark slime. Today we got the kit, so that's cool. What do we got? Oh my goodness. Never mind that noise. Anyways, we got. As you can see here, it doesn't even look like they got a small activator. This one. Anyways, we got 2 activators, 2 glow in the darks. I'm gonna use this one because I used this. Okay, so it says put 1 Elmer's glow in the dark into the container. So, but I want to make more glitter. So you actually put in glitter? Okay, let me take this. Yes. Okay, so what's the first? Okay, put the whole thing. Okay. Oh my god. Slime is in here. Okay, so next you gotta put 2 tablespoons. So this is a tablespoon, right? Wow. So you take.
Well, I thought you was putting the glitter in there.
Oh, right. This one?
If you want to.
Yes. I swear, if this looks like gosh, I can't. Okay. It's a little bit of this. And that's it. That was fast. Okay. So they're like, so you can know which one is which. Next, what we want to do is put tablespoons. 2 tablespoons. So, that's 1 tablespoon. And next one. And
Put some more.
yeah, on the side. Yeah. So yes, I'm gonna put this in here. I don't want to make a mess. Okay, now stir it. Oh my gosh, it says mix it to so when it becomes harder, that's good. Okay, just gonna move this stuff. Yeah. Okay. Oh my gosh, it feels like slime already. I just started mixing it. Yeah, it's starting to slime.
One eternity later.
Okay, yeah. Oh my good gosh, look at this. It's like a glitter galaxy color. It's like a glitter galaxy. Hold on. Is it slime? No. It's okay. Take the guitar. I just gotta keep mixing it. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna stand up for this. This is taking years. Oh my goodness. There goes that. Oh my. Oh guys, it's becoming slime. Just get this off. Do it right. I gotta put some more activator. Isn't 4 teaspoons enough? Wow, slime these days. Oh my gosh. think that's enough, right? You guys think so? You guys think so? Next up. If you guys think so, okay, I'm being. You guys think so? Oh, it's actually becoming slime now. It's not slime to me, but we got some more activator. So I guess it's not slime to me. Then we're gonna add more activator because it's not slime to me. That's obvious. So like halfway. Are you serious? Halfway is like right there. I'm joking. This enough. Okay, this enough. Oh my gosh, it's getting slimy. I think I put too much activator though. It's not glowing in the dark yet. Okay. Like, wait, it says, okay, mix until a well color. You will notice the mixture becomes harder and begins to form. Okay, so then it says, take out the slime and begin kneading both of your hands and go somewhere in the dark and watch your slime go. You want to do that? Take the slime out? You want to take the slime out? Okay, guys, we're going to take the slime. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's getting non-sticky. That's good. My goodness. Okay. Oh, it's actually not that bad. Yeah, it's not that bad. I need to take this stuff off here. My God. Okay, no. Let me take it off. It feels so great. Yes, it will. Oh, no, wait. I can't even. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe, share, and like. See you guys next time on my next video. Who knows what it's gonna be. Bye.